So, good morning, friends. My name is Sahaniro Kumar, and I am the owner of Jain Classes. So, welcome you all from the behalf of the Jain Classes. So, last several days we were started the series in Jain Classes. So, today we are recording the fourth video of this series. So, that is water treatment. So basically, first thing in your mind that what is water? So water is basically we consider that H2 plus O2 that converted into 2H2O. It is a simple formula of the water. But here in this particular case, we are just know about the what the actual water is made up and how we treat this water to convert into purifying form. So today we are starting the things that is first things source of the water. So basically you know that the water is the natural phenomena and it is we are getting from the natural resources only. So there are several resources. So in this particular first one we are know about the source of water. The first one is that is surface water. Surface water, there are two types of we are getting stagnant water and flowing water. So for the stagnant water, we have the ponds, reservoirs, and the lakes are the main source of the stagnant water, whereas the second source is flowing water, that is river and the streams are the example of it. Then the B, it is called rainwater. It is also natural water, and how you do that know that how we are reach or we get the rainwater. C, sea water, and D, underground water, which is made or get from the springs and the well we are getting. So these are the natural sources of the water, or these are the main sources of water that we are using for our day to day life. Then we are moving further the things, that is the types of impurities. So basically, we are considering the all the natural waters are 90% pure, 99% pure, but some impurities are there. So these impurities are divided mainly four types. First one is called dissolved impurities. The natural water have some dissolved impurities like calcium, magnesium, iron, sodium, potassium. These are the impurities. These are dissolved in the water. Second types of impurities is called suspended impurities. So like suspended impurities like soil, small parts of the vegetables, small parts of the fruits, and other things are called the suspended impurities. Third part is called colloidal impurities. The impurities between 10 raised to minus 4 to 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter small. These impurities are called colloidal impurities. So it is very small in the size, so we do not show from our naked eye. We should require the microscope or telescope for watching this type of impurities. Fourth one is called the biological impurities. Fug, virus, bacteria, which are the size of 10 raised to minus 10, that is 1 angstrom size, that we do not see from the our naked eye or any of the microscope or telescope. They require the proper microscope or telescope to show this type of impurities. Next, third topic is that types of the water. So water is divided into the mainly two parts. One part is called hard water and second one part is called the soft water. Now in your mind that how we consider this is a soft water or this is the hard water. So in the hard water, if we have the water and we are processed with the soda bicarbonate, so it will not produce any type of reaction. This type of water is called hard water. And if we are considering the sodium bicarbonate and water react with this and changes happen in the water in the form of bubbles, so this water is called soft water. So if we consider that the hardness of the water is depends on the dissolved impurities, suspended impurities, colloidal impurities and biological impurities. So if we consider the reaction between the phenomena of the soap and the hard water, there is no reaction is taken place. But if we consider the soap and soft water reaction, so it is possible and it will make a bubbles in it. Next is the hardness of the water. So there are two types of hardness available on the water. One is called temporary hardness and second one is called the permanent hardness. So temporary hardness is from calcium bicarbonate or magnesium bicarbonate, whereas the permanent hardness is from calcium chloride and the magnesium chloride like materials are dissolved in it. So we can remove this temporary hardness as well as the permanent hardness by the different types of method, but this method we are do not consider right now. Next part is going for the pH of the water. So what is the pH? So pH shows the water is basic, water is acidic or water is the neutral. So this pH is ranging between 0 to 14 number, that is called pH number. So if we consider 7 as a neutral, then before the 7 they are acidic and after the 7 they are basic. So for this pH paper which is in the yellow color is there. If the water is acidic, then the pH paper is converted into the red from the yellow, and if the solution is basic, then the pH paper is converted into blue. So if you know that the acidic water is very harmful to us, whereas basic water is very grateful to our body. So if we drink this water, that is called alkaline water, are nowadays available in the market. So if you are going for the market, so our original scenario is come into picture. So if you are going to the different markets, so we are getting the different kinds of water. Some have the acidic water, some have the neutral water. This pH is 7. Some have the acidic, basic, and the pH is specified on the water bottle also. So in some particular case we should require the pH of 8 to 9. So at that particular time we can use that particular water. Then if you know the different types of water and different people are drinking the different water, like Aquafina, Manekchand Oxyrich, Bisleri, then your RO water. What are the difference in this particular water? So these are the simple water. They are taking from the all of the sources that we are discussing in our first, that is the natural sources of water. Then they are taking the factory and they are process on it. Either it is physical or chemical process are done on the water, and this water is converted from natural resources to the artificial resources, and this water is approximately 99.9% is pure. So for this TDS is there, we can find out the or ppm, parts per million, or if you are using the RO system, then they will calculate the TDS. So they measure the number of particle available per water on gram. So the 50 to 100 water is very good for drinking, which is not getting from the our RO system. So for getting these particular things, you can study or research and you can make the water. In that water, the great the liking impurities of our body is there, and these like impurities are removed from it. Like some impurities are there, calcium is important for us, magnesium, sodium, iron, which is impurities, but these impurities are helpful to our body. So if you make this kind of system for the water treatment, we can say that yes, the water is proper and drinkable also, with proper impurities which are useful to our human body. So myself Sah Nirav Kumar, I am stop here. So this is all about the water treatment from Jain classes. If you have any difficulties or any query, you should write down in the subscription, or if you like my video, then like and subscribe. For more this type of video, you can watch my channel, this Jain channel or Jain classes channel. So each and every day I am putting the one of the videos which are useful to in your day-to-day life. If you are interested, then you can watch this video. If you are not interested, then it's okay. So thank you for watching. Thank you from Jain classes and myself Sah Nirav Kumar. Once more time, thank you.